Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm going to go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? You decide.
Hey, today I want to share a garage sale find. Fella had a blower and a weed eater that he didn't have the charger or the battery for. This is a 40 volt. Its model number is RY40401. Not sure if it's sold anymore. I feel like it's 4 or 5 years old. But I thought, hey, guy said he'd take 20 bucks for both of them. So let's check them out. Let me show you the model number. Make sure I said it correctly. All right, focus in. RY40401, 40 volt. I did just a quick look up. Looks like it has a average run time of probably 20 minutes using a 4 amp hour battery. And it takes about 90 minutes, as you well know, to charge up the 40 volt 4 amp hour battery. Some of the quick chargers do a little quicker, but this size blower, 20 minutes is most likely more than enough. It's for, it's blowing around the patio or what have you. But let's just give it a try. I grabbed one of my 4 amp hour. I do have a couple of larger ones, but looks like it would fit it, but it'd be getting pretty tight in there. We'll snap that in. Sounds good. Says it has 150 CFM, if I read correctly. So let's go over here and find us some leaves in the flower bed and just see what it'll do. It did rain yesterday, so some of these leaves are wet. So just for reference, just see what she's got. I don't think it's a seed needle, but it does seem to be growing there. As I mentioned, they are wet. I don't think this is going to be necessarily your leaf vacuum of choice, but to go off the sidewalk or something, or the driveway, and especially, well, as I said, I got it for 20 bucks. So my daughter has a little Black & Decker 20 volt that just about shot. So I picked this up to go with her. She has a 40 volt lawnmower already, so she has batteries. As I said, I don't think I would trade it for my 350 CFM, but for 20 bucks, sounds like a deal to me. How about you? I think this thing came in at 7 pounds. Of course, the battery probably weighs a pound, but very ergonomic, very easy to handle. As I mentioned, or will mention, not that powerful, but 150 CFM will do light jobs. So if you see one of these out in the wild, hey, if you can get a deal like I did, pick it on up. I just realized it had this removable tip, so I think I'll get more volume out of it now. Let's give it a try without the tip on it. I think that's much better. That's the low blow. That's again the patio or something. But it's actually useful without the tip on it. If you can get 20 minutes of run time, you got a couple of batteries. Hey, this is better than what I had 10 years ago with a cord on it. You know what I'm saying? $33 with my GoPro phone today. This will definitely outdo the units she already had. It's going to be a good addition to her stuff, but most of the time she hires her own room. That's just when she needs to deal with her.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. I'm mainly into the Ryobi line. I have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.